Speak louder now. I'll be sure.
Your name, sir?
They embarrass ourselves again.
Wait 1 minute for Mr.
No, he said, wait, let him breathe in. Breathe in, out.
Yeah, actually.
What's your name, sir?
Wait, I'm coming. Yeah, what's your name? Abiola Ibrahim. From where? Ikire.
Baba.
Who are these people? They are voters. For which election?
The election happening today.
Happening today. Are they all residents of Ikire here?
Some of them are. Villagers from inside.
They were hired. You don't hire them. You have to come and vote. So they don't have houses. We are going to interview them. Okay. You brought them here when?
Some of them went there. Some of them have the houses and they came here.
Who is the owner of these residents?
My dad.
Who is your dad?
He's late.
He's late. He doesn't have name.
Babaji Ibrahim. Babaji Ibrahim.
Babaji Ibrahim. Okay. Because we have interviewed some of them. Any agreement? You promise them anything? Oh, it's free. Okay. These are voters cards from them. Very good. No, that person. You should hold it.
Make it hold on.
This
Hold the
card was
voters
recovered from
voters
them.
card.
It's not recover for you.
Collect it now. It's not your property.
Hold it well.
Okay. Which party are they here to vote for?
Carry it up.
Their choice.
Raise it up.
Voting is their choice. So
Voting is their choice. So you are an agent
I'm not
to go and carry them to vote for any party. They cannot go from their houses and to go and vote. Don't compound your problem. Tell us the truth. Which party? Talk now, my man.
What are these?
Wasting my time.
property. I'm a member of ACORD.
You are a member of ACORD. Okay. Thank you.
Which card are you holding? Let me see it.
Which card are you holding?
Belongs to the voters.
Belongs to the voters.
Let's stop now. Let's talk that.
Let's see the cards. So which party do they intend to vote for?
He said he's a member of ACORD.
ACORD party.
It's
all right. No, I don't be doing that already. Collect the card.
My head don't blow.
Your head?
Yeah, very, very sensitive.
What's wrong with it?